In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can export from Mudbox and import into Unity. And we're going to import the 3D model and the material textures as well. So the first thing we want to do is have a character or a creature or a product or any props or assets that you want to export from Mudbox. And if you're interested in Mudbox and how to create these characters, you can see the full video course. So right for information about that. So right now I'm just selecting these three models, which are part of a same package. So you can select it from the scene or you can select it from the object list. Once you have selected the things that you want to export, you click on export selection and just find a folder where you want to store. And in this case, I already create these files. So I store those in a folder here called character design. And I save those into a mesh folder. And this is the mesh right here. Now you have two options. You have the options to do it in OBJ or FBX. So in my opinion, I think FBX is better. So I already saved here. You can see the file in FBX, and I've saved in high poly and in low poly. Now, if you save it in low poly, you need to probably bake some details in a normal map or a bump map. So you can either export in high poly or export in low poly and using the textures to save the details. Now you will see that they're gonna be generated the textures there inside those folders that you see up there. So everything will be automatic. So we are saving as FBX, but the folder with the texture inside, they're gonna be created automatically. Now let's jump into Unity and let's import the model and the textures. Now again, this is a short video guide, so if you're interested in more videos, guides, and video courses, check our channel or write in the comments, write to us for more information. I'm using the template scene, by the way, and right here we can go to project, assets, right click in this area, right click and say import new asset, and just select the asset that you want to import. Now in my case, I have the high poly test export, and I'm gonna import this one here. And as you will see, each single asset will be imported separately, but it's gonna be then one single package. So you can see the character is right there. It's looking great. It has all the polygons. And here you have the different elements. So you have the clothing, the body, and the eye bulbs divided. But if I make this, if I compact this is going to be a package, a compact package. So you can either work with all these all together or you can separate them. Now you can see we also have materials, but we don't have textures. So you either import texture right now, so you can do it in a separate time, or you can create a new material and apply the texture later. So here I want to show you how to create a new material. So right click, create new material, and let's create another one. Just right click, create new material. So one will be for the clothing and one will be for the body, just to make an example. And if you want, you can just change the color from the right side when you have a material. So we have this nice black, like leather color, and all the details are sculpted. These are all actual polygons, but again, you can use bump maps or normal maps. And now we're gonna import new asset, and you can see here I have different texture, but I just want to show you here how to import one, and then you can figure out the rest. So I'm just gonna import the diffuse here. So I'm gonna import it, and when it's finished, it should appear. There you go. So you can see that the material that we have imported now is also showing the texture. So all we need to do is just bring in the texture and it will figure out everything automatically. But if you want, you can also create your custom material. So to do that, just drag and drop the material again on the object that you want to assign that material to, and just go in the diffuse map, click on the little circle to select the texture, and you can see there are a lot of textures here. So if I type the name, I will be quicker. So I will type character here, just there you go. Check the spelling, select it, and there you go. So we have the texture now applied to the material and everything looks nice and beautiful. We are missing the eyes, but you get the idea. It's just the same logic applied to all the rest. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can join the channel as a supporter. This will support us to make more videos, video courses and video guides. And check our other video courses and video guides that you find in the channel. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.